Hi, thanks for watching Cooking with the Robinsons. Today we are making something absolutely delicious.
Yeah, we're doing smoked cream cheese. You've seen it all over the internet. It's the latest craze. We're gonna add to that today. We're gonna break down a jalapeno popper and do a smoked jalapeno popper dip. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're gonna start out using 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese, and I'm using those in a cast iron skillet. And then we're gonna remove the membranes and the seed from these jalapenos, right?
Right, and that's gonna take a lot of that heat out of there. If you like more heat, go ahead and leave some of those seeds in there.
And now we're gonna take our barbecue rub and we're gonna put it on one side of that bacon and also on both blocks of cream cheese.
Now we're using our all-purpose barbecue rub, and it's got a great smoky flavor to it, and it's actually named after my dad, Frank.
Now what we're doing here is just slightly cutting through the skin of this cream cheese just for a little decoration and also kind of to let it know where to break apart. Now we just set our smoker for 250 degrees, or your oven if you want to do it inside. I use cast iron skillets just to keep things nice and clean, and a wire rack for my bacon. Put the jalapenos in there. Basically the jalapeno poppers all in the smoker, just broken down.
Now you're going to take those out after 2 hours and start to combine. Now as always, look below for all the measurements and all the ingredients.
Now we'll dice our jalapenos and our bacon and get them ready to incorporate into this cream cheese dip. And I'm just using one of the blocks of cream cheese.
That's right.
For this dip, along with some cheddar cheese. What else do we have in there?
We got mayonnaise, some garlic powder, of course those jalapenos, and some cheddar cheese as well.
And some good bacon. And one of the things that I think is important in this is a squeeze of one lime.
Absolutely.
It's such a rich dish that just that little bit of acid will help cut through it, and it's going to be delicious. You're going to top it with some cheese, a little bit of bacon, a little bit more of those jalapenos, and we're going to go back into the smoker, but this time we're at 350 degrees and really just long enough to get that cheese melted and bubbly and delicious and ready to eat.
That's right. It is the perfect game day appetizer.
And hey, if you're looking to pick up a bottle of Frank, go to our website. We'll put the link in the description below.